Automation Direct's Monday Minute. Automation Direct has added more choices to their selection of cut-to-length Type J and Type K thermocouple extension wire. Thermocouple extension wire helps maintain signal integrity when thermocouple signals are required to travel long distances to reach operating instrumentation or PLC input cards. 14 new wire additions include 20-gauge and 16-gauge sizes with 2 conductors in shielded or unshielded versions, jacketed with extruded PVC and extruded FEP Teflon insulation. These wires are available with standard ASTM ANSI color codes, are UL PLTC rated, and are approved for Class 1 Division 2 hazardous locations. The new thermocouple extension wire can be ordered cut to length in 1-foot increments with a 20-foot minimum and is made in the USA. Multi-pair thermocouple extension cable is also available for connections to multiple temperature sensors using only one cable run. We also offer other thermocouple extensions, multi-pair thermocouple extensions, and RTD wire for all of your temperature measuring and monitoring needs. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/temp-sensor-wire. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.